Hi friend, I am Kaustubh and today we are going to learn about a new topic, and that topic is scrollable UI label using auto layout only. We won't do any single line of code, only use UI scroll view, UI label and auto layout, and that's it. By using that we are able to scroll the content entirely without using any third party library or using any single line of code. So let's begin. To do that, first create a blank project. So as you can see, this is the storyboard where we will going to design our UI label or UI scroll view. This is the view controller corresponding to that particular scene, but we are not going to use that particular view controller because entire thing whatever we want to do, it's on the view controller scene, this one over here. So first change it to a small device like iPhone AC first generation, like this. So it's a very small device, right? So what we are going to do is to place a UI scroll view, because scroll view have the features to scroll anything inside that particular scroll view. Whatever is outside the scroll view or on the same level with the scroll view not able to scroll those things, but whatever is being placed inside that particular scroll view can scroll it. Okay, so for that, first bring a UI scroll view over here. So first I'm taking the scroll view and just placing it like this arbitrarily. Okay, so giving a placeholder like 10 10 10 10 like this, and that's it. Okay, so the scroll view is being placed, but as per the current standardization of the iOS, the scroll view should contain a static view, the main content view. So for that I am going to take a content view which is nothing but a plain UI view. So I am dragging a UI view inside of it and place it inside, and then after we need to make a relationship with the layout guide, not the frame layout. I also misunderstood so many times and do mistakes, but don't do mistakes. It's a relationship with the content layout. So just control drag with the content layout and give constraint of leading, top, trailing and bottom, and that's it. So all these four constraint is being set. So just select this particular view and go on this particular tab, and as you can see these four constant displaying over here. So from here just change it to 0. Okay, so for all the four constraint just change it to 0. Okay, I am changing it to 0. So it's all change it to 0. Right now I am giving height of static 100. As you can see the height is 128, I am giving it as a 100. That's it. Okay, so it's already got top aligned. Now I am giving a height of equal with the frame layout. So giving a equal width, and the width is proportionate, but I want 1 since it's a equal width. Okay, so now this height of this particular content view got dynamic. If you give the height as 200, it will increase. If you give height as 400, it will increase. If you give height of 40, it will decrease, like this way. Okay, so for the timing I am giving height of 400, and since our motto is to scroll the UI level, so I first bring a UI level over here and place it like the way, giving padding of 8 from the all directions. Okay, and remove this particular static height constraint for this particular view. So select this one, select the height, and this is the constraint, just delete it, and that's it. You can see the height of this particular view got reduced up to the height of label plus 8 all total 16 gap. Okay, so 16 plus height of the label is the height of this particular background content view which is being main container inside the scroll view. Okay, so if the text of this particular label got increased, definitely the height of the content view is also increased. So let's check it. So it's supposed to be increased, but it's not increasing because I did a mistake, because line number is 1, which should be 0. But there is one thing, though it's working properly, but there is another mistake, which is line break mode is truncate tail, which is a bad practice. Always change it to word wrap, and that's it. Now if the content got increased rapidly, then also it's not an issue, it can handle the scrollable features. You can see, if I scroll, you can see that it's go very low. Okay, so if I scroll over here, it's not seems like scrolling, but you can see it's go upward. Okay, so it's scrolling on the scene also. Okay, now I'm giving it to run to see how it's behaving. As you can see, the simulator is appeared with the label and it's scrollable. As you can see, the vertical scroll bar is also displaying at the very right side of the scroll view. So that's mean it's scrolling. Okay, so we have achieved our goal. But along with this particular tutorial, I am giving you 2 homework for you guys. One is like place a button below of this particular label. That is the first homework for you guys. And the second is, this is the vertical scroll view, right? So what about the horizontal scroll view? How you gonna achieve that? For that, you can do Google or Stack Overflow or anything, whatever you prefer. You can take help from the Google and try to achieve it. If you guys can achieve it, you can also record video, send it to me. If it is good in quality and there is no feedback noise, then I will definitely upload it. It's not only me, since it's a learning platform, so anybody can teach us. Even I also got to learn from you guys, so that's not a problem at all. Okay, so you guys can also contribute on this particular channel and give us the opportunity to learn new thing from you guys also. Okay, so you guys also can send video to upload on this particular channel. So these are the 2 homework which I'm expecting from you guys, or you can also comment it out that how you have achieved, or if you guys face any problem, then please raise your voice. I am always here to help you guys. So that's all for today's. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Closing for the day. See you next day on a new iOS tutorial with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.